want my money now. If you do not give me my money, I will tell everybody what happened to your late wife.
Rita, no. No, that I don't want to give you your money. Just that the place that Ini has refused to give me back my money. I have other plans to pay the money. When a person gives me the money, I will pay you your money.
Melvin, you think I came here to listen to your cock and bull story? Is that what you think?
No.
If you do not give me that money, you live to regret what I'll do.
Rita, no. Okay, just give me few time. Just few time. Within you, you know very well that I will certainly pay you your money. You know very well.
You talk like a noble man. But you're truly evil. Melvin, I worked for you for 5 years. And what did you do? You left me and ran away. You left me in Dohan and ran away.
I didn't run away like that. And Gabby was after my life. Yes, Gabby was after my life.
What a pathetic excuse. It's not my business. Tell me something better, please. Can you give me something to drink?
I don't feel like drinking.
Yeah. I just said you should sip. I didn't say you should finish the whole cup. Just a tiny bit.
Rita, I don't feel like drinking.
Don't let me think that you want to poison me.
No.
Have a sip.
No, I'm not going to poison you.
So that's your plan?
No.
How are you?
I'm okay. Welcome.
Thank you. Can you please give me something to eat? I'm very hungry.
Also, what to eat? I want to swallow.
What's going on now?
Never. What's going on where?
Didn't I ask for something to eat?
Oh! What is your...
Did I not tell you to give me food to eat?
Food?
Yes, my dinner.
Oh, what is this now? What's all this?
House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Dango Taya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Aniafu, Onike Abu. Madame de look for new strategy. Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga they don't scatter. They confused.
What's the meaning of this rubbish now? Huh? See, I don't want to get angry this night. Give me my food. Is it hard for you to just give me my food?
Food? One nice food. Ah. Well, there is no food.
What do you mean there is no food?
There is no food now. I did not cook.
Why?
I was tired. So I decided to rest.
Can you hear yourself? You're tired. You didn't cook for your husband and you've been in this house since morning.
Chineke no no baby. Neki, they know you want to bring down the building.
If you're looking for my trouble.
I didn't have the strength to cook. But I need a masseuse to
You see this thing you're doing in this house? Don't make me do something everybody will regret. I'm warning you. I'm warning you.
Look at you. Why are you men so wicked? You came back and your wife is telling you that she was so tired, that was why she couldn't cook, and you're here shouting. Eh? Get it home, Bodo. Ma go. I did not
see this thing you're looking for. You will still find it.
Abia.
You will still find it. You will still find it.
What am I doing? By kitchen, I'm not enter that kitchen. I wouldn't tell me met another. You got to touch it off. I know you have all. Okay, do it. What a woman can do, a man can even do better. Back kitchen now.
How did I end up? How did I end up with this? Huh? What?
Madame de Vex, Oga don't charge. Madame Nairan, Oga Nairak. Oga slap on a duam, like a bumble. Madame Matona ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Dango Taya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Aniafu, Onike Abu. Madame de look for new strategy.
I thought you said you were not hungry.
I wasn't before, but now I am.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? You couldn't give your husband food. And now I went to the kitchen to prepare it. You have the mind to sit down here to eat, Okwia?
Because I'm eating. You should be thanking your God that I'm eating this thing. I'm not eating of very tasteless food. See, you will not ruin my night. You will not then ruin my night. No, because of the cold food.
Did you just spat on my food?
What's that? Eh? You wanted to rant. Oh yeah, now. Go on. Look at wine. Go on and rant.
Are you mad?
I won't give you, Mama. Shame, you won't kill me. Look at the baby. You have to kill me today.
Madame de Vex, Oga don't charge. Madame Nairan, Oga Nairan. Oga slap on a do-am, like a bumble. Madam mouth on a rat-a-ta-ta-ta like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Don't go tired, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Ani afu, Dikeh Madam, they look for new strategy. Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga they scatter, he they confused. Madam, ta-ta-ta-ta-ta like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Don't go tired, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start.
What are you saying? I can't believe I've been another one here. No. What is it? I've been here. No. It's not possible. It's not possible. Make it look better than they think you. Because you may never want to die.
House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Don't go tired, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe.
Let me if I can hear you see. What is it up to me? Get me some dry gin. I don't have any dry gin to give you. What is it up to me? What about some liquor? Nacho being one mania. Do you have anything? Just give me. Baby, go calm down again. What is it? I have dealt with him. I have seriously dealt with him. But before I give you the lowdown, you got him on mania. Did he touch you again? Is he mad? Is he stupid? I have to give me the gist. What is it? I cannot talk about it like this. I just need to get high. Not until you tell me the cocoa. What is going on? Talk to me, Meme. Why are you stubborn?
Yeah, madam.
Please, how is he? I mean, Jimmy, how is he?
We are doing our best. But he's still in coma.
Oh my God. Jesus. Please, can I see him?
Yes, but you have to wait until we move him to the ward.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Just calm down. Just calm down.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Doctor.
Yes.
Please, how long will it take for him to regain consciousness?
That I cannot answer you now. But he will be fine.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I will not say what I will do to that witch when I will set my eyes on her. Even the devil will not save her. I want you to tell me exactly what happened.
I come back yesterday evening from village. I don't know whether they're having any problem. The next night, I just hear, wow, but I don't come up for the house, I don't go see you again.
Do you know any of her friends?
find out for friends?
Yes, Auntie Norma.
Do you know where she lives?
No.
Let's go. Norma, right?
Yes. I didn't do anything.
Where is she? Ivy.
She's inside.
Officers, get inside and bring her out. By the time I am done with you, you will know that Jime is special to us in this family.
Huh.
If you ever come back from this one, count yourself lucky. I told you I'm watching you and I'm still watching you. Officers, take her away.
Huh. I have not done anything.
No. Officers, take her away.
Has been the one beating me in the house. I have not done anything. No.
Take her!
I've not done anything. No. Jime has been the one beating me in that house.
And as for you, make sure you don't leave this house until I say so.
Am I mad?
Thank God you know you're not.
I'm not going anywhere. I've not done anything. No. Your brother has been the one turning me to a punching bag. I've not done anything. Oga police, let me say the truth. What will happen police me? I've not done anything.
Thank God you're alive.
Where is my wife?
You do not have a wife. She is going to jail. I have ordered my boys to torture her for 7 days. And after that, she will be taken to court.
Auntie, please. Temper justice with mercy. Tell him to leave her alone. I've forgiven her.
It's fine. I will think about it. Meanwhile, you need some juice.
Oga don charge, Madam na Iran, Oga na Iraq, Oga slap on a duam, like a bombo, Madam Matona ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe, Dango Taya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start, Aniafu. Dikeh Madam they look for new strategy. Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga head don't scatter, he they confused. Madam Matona ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Don't go tire, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start.
Please, I will give you your money. This is my mother we're talking about. Don't you have conscience? Please, I will pay you your money. Please, Rita.
Marvin, they will not come out from there alive.
Hey.
If you do not pay me all my money, not one penny remaining. If you do not, I will kill them there.
I swear, I will pay you your money. I will. This is my mom we're talking about. My siblings, I will pay you, please. Okay. Give me some time. They go now, please. Some time, a few time. I'll give you your money.
That is what I don't have. That time, I don't have. Melvin, I will bury her alive and I will still kill you and nothing will happen. Pay me my money. Please, pay me my money. Now you actually have conscience. But you left me there to suffer.
Rita. 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 Please. Please. Try to understand. Please, I will pay. I will give you your money, but please, release my parents, my siblings.
For what?
Please. I swear I will give you back your money. Please, Rita.
When are you giving me the money? I don't want to hear your stories, please.
Just give me time, Rita. Please, I will give you the money, please.
Every year disturbing me.
Please, Rita, please, I am on my knees, please.
You want me to call my boys to shoot you here?
No.
Then leave me alone.
Okay.
The only thing I want to hear is my money when you're giving it to me. Excuse me.
They arrested her? What is my business to arrest her? What? Let her die there!
Auntie, please, I want to ask you for a favor.
If it is about that girl, forget it. She's not coming out this year.
Auntie Mbano, please. My mother-in-law is hypertensive. I don't even tell her when we have issues. Because I don't want her to break down.
Do you even listen to yourself talk? Jimmy? So you're the one that is good to die? Because you don't want her to break down?
No, Auntie. It's not really that I'm wishing myself death too. I'm only saying or begging that you should temper justice with mercy. I know you're fighting for me. I don't want people to even hear about it. Please.
It's okay. I will do something about it. Anything for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, I have to go.
I'll see you later then.
That's fine.
Please, don't hurt my mother and my siblings. Please, I'm begging you. I will give you your money. Please, Rita, try and understand. Don't hurt my mom and my siblings, please. I will give you your money. Yes. Hello? Hello? Hey. Hello? Nyoma, please. I need your help. Yes, my siblings, my mother, they're in trouble. Please, I need your help. Can you borrow me some money? Yes. Hello? Hello? Nyoma? Hey. What have I gotten myself into? Hey.
Look at what these useless people did to me. Just, can you imagine? Hey! Gakuri. Before Chime got for. I won't take it easy with them. Sorry. I will never take it. I just feel very sad and broken. Thank God you came back alive. Eh? If not for Chime, you would have died in there. Because that is useless auntie has already taken the matter to court. If for that woman, I would deal with that woman. I
want to thank you for coming through for me. I would have died if you didn't come to the house.
Chime, you will have to forget everything about that girl for now. Please.
I've heard you. Let me go to the office and see what's happening there.
Alright, I need to show you something.
I was about calling you.
Really?
Yes.
Well, here I am. I've exhausted my patience. You're daring me.
I'm not.
Really?
Yeah.
You will wake up tomorrow morning to a very bad news.
Because Rita, no. I will give you the money.
You think you can play with me?
No.
Don't try me. Melvin, don't try me.
Please, I will give you the money. Please try and understand.
Even if I come here tomorrow, there is nothing to show. I will still not get my money.
Rita, I'm trying.
You're really daring me. See you.
People change. It's still surprising how you changed to a viper. Auntie, can I call you back?
And why did you on earth allow them to build that Jezebel?
Please, I'm in the middle of something. I'll call you back.
She needs to go back to her father's house. I am not listening to you. Now you listen. Don't cut that phone on me, Chime.
That's so crazy.
I'm telling you, my darling. I just want...
Are you expecting anyone?
Who could that be?
Who's that?
Ivy. My husband is here? Yes.
Tell him I'm not here.
But he knows you are here. Tell him I've left. Go tell him. Tell him, sweet.
Mama, good day.
Good day.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Great. Is my wife in?
No, she's not.
But I saw her here yesterday.
Oh, yes. But she left.
Well, Norma, I know she's your friend, and she must have told you to lie to me. But I want to ask you, do you like what is going on between us?
No. I've been trying, no. I have been trying. You know that. I've been doing my best. If she was here, I would have brought her home. You know me.
Okay, as her best friend, you know anywhere she could be?
No, I don't. You know Ivy is unpredictable.
Okay, bye.
Yes. Take care.
Has it gone?
How's it going? He was just talking rubbish, blabbing up and down.
Are you serious? I don't even know why I was hiding. I would have waited for him to come in. Then I would give him my conditions before going home with him.
But look, you know what? If I were you, I'll just go to Abuja or Lagos. I'm telling you. Go and cool off.
My dear, I will certainly do that.
Look, I have a cousin in Lagos. Oh. Yes. I am very sure he would take proper care of you. He's even single.
I have myself planned out already. I must certainly get myself a fresh dude. But before then, I will have to teach my husband that I'm not someone to be toyed with.
Hey. Look, I can just book your ticket for you. Don't pay. I'll book you my money. Book you to Lagos. My cousin is a very sharp, fresh guy. He will handle you well. I'm just telling you.
This is not the kind of life I wanted. This is not the kind of marriage I prayed for. Mama! Mama. So you lied to me, eh? Huh? Okay, nice one. What are you doing here?
What do you mean, what am I doing here? So you came all the way from your house to someone else's house just to query her? Are you police?
Get up. Let's go.
I am not going anywhere with you. You had the nerves to lock me up at the police cell. You have to kneel down, go on your knees and apologize. If not, I could come my Ikeja.
Ivy, I don't want to repeat myself. Stand up now and follow me.
Oh my goodness. Chime, you are so shameless. So after all you have done, you are here to talk to me. You're just an idiot.
Did you just call me idiot?
A big one at that. Idiot!
Come on! Are you out of your mind? Go, shut that stupid girl. Are you stupid?
Come on.
Now listen, if you don't follow me now, I am giving you until tomorrow to come back home. Else, this marriage is over. Silly.
How?
Bets of the set.
Madam Vex, Oga don't charge. Madam
Let me wait for you.
Oga na Iraq, Oga Safuna duam like a bomb.
What did he do? This is not my husband. No! What did he drink? Kenyang, this is not my husband. Something must have entered into him. Go and give him fire. Go and give him fire. You didn't do anything. Go and give him fire. You're not a good friend. I'm serious. Go and give him hell.
Madam de look for new strategy.
So you couldn't come back and beg, right?
Beg you for what? My friend, just go back to where you're coming from.
You didn't say that to me, did you?
Sugar!
Yes, honey, I'm coming.
What are you doing in my house?
This is divorce papers.
Oh, don't put that on me. It's rubbish out of my sight. What is going on here?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything for my cute man. Do you want more juice?
Mama, how could you do this to me? You are very stupid, Norma.
You alone is juice, baby.
Oh, please, stop barking. Let me get you snacks to balance it.
Okay, very good.
Come here.
I am talking to you. Are you this heartless?
If you don't want to make your bed, the wall gecko will help you do that.
And who is the wall gecko? You? See, Norma, I do not want to get angry right now. Please take yourself out of my house.
Which house? You want to live in the same house with the man you want to eliminate? That's crazy.
Honestly, Norma, I do not want to get really angry right now and hurt you. Take your miserable self out of my husband's house.
Who cares about your anger? I'm afraid I'm not here for you. Get out.
And let us get. Come on, get that matrimonial key here. My friend, get out of here. Leave.
No, what's that?
Leave.
Now. What's that to you? I will leave. I will leave. I will leave.
Get out.
I'm not going anywhere. My husband's
I'll slap you.
I'll slap you. I'm not going anywhere. Let me go. Let me go.
Oga don't charge. Madam Nairan. Oga Nairak. Oga slap on a duam like a bombo. Madam mouth on a ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire. Operation show pepe. Yanko tire. Operation show pepe. Love don't finish. War don't start. Aniafu. Dikeh yabu. Madam they look for new strategy. Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga head don't scatter. He they confused. Madam mouth on a ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire. Operation show pepe. Yanko tire. Operation show pepe. Love don't finish. War don't start. Aniafu. Dikeh yabu. House on fire. Operation show pepe. Yanko tire. Operation show pepe. Love don't finish. War don't start. Aniafu. Dikeh yabu. House on fire. Operation show pepe. Yanko tire. Operation show pepe. Love don't finish. War don't start. Aniafu, Dikeh yabu. House on fire. Operation show pepe. Yanko tire. Operation show pepe. Love don't finish. War don't start. Aniafu, Dikeh yabu.
Open the gate. Open the...
Ivy.
Open the gate.
Ivy! What is it? Again, what is it?
You?
You? Me? What did I do?
Oh.
It was just a dream. Tell me about it. I have never dreamt, and it ceases to come to pass. Never. What happened? You're just shouting, open the gate, open the gate.
Side, where are you now? That same junction now.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
What are you doing here?
It's my car. My car just come off here.
Oh my goodness. I'm really sorry about that. But if you don't mind, I can call my cousin that owns a taxi so that he can drop you at the office.
That will not be bad. Just that I don't know how safe this car is here because I have important documents.
No, the car is very safe here. This is my area. The car is very, very safe. But if you doubt, I can call one of the security men that guides this place. They can come take care of the car whilst the mechanic is coming.
Okay, please just help me.
Alright,
I need
no
to
problem. Let me make a call now. Hello, Abel. Where are you? Sam coming. Where are you?
Thank you very much. I really appreciate. I mean, if not because of your taxi man, I would have missed out on my important appointment I had.
It's nothing, sir. You don't have to thank me. I mean, thank God you did not miss your appointment. That's the most important thing.
So what's your name?
My name is Ivy.
Ivy.
Yes, sir.
So what do you do?
As funny as it may sound, I am jobless for now. I do not have a job at the moment. You know how difficult it is to get a job in the country these days. But I believe God will make a way.
Okay, okay. Are you a graduate?
Yes, I am.
Okay, impressive. Alright. This here's my card.
Okay.
Give me a call tonight. Let's say 9. Okay. Or better still, come with your CV to my office tomorrow.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's alright.
I'll do just that. God bless you.
I appreciate you. Thank you very much.
Okay, boss. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So when you call, I'll give you the address.
I will call. Bye, sir.
Bye. Come in. Oh.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, good day. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Nice. Impressive. Okay. So you will start work tomorrow.
What did you just say?
Yeah. You see, our Human Resource Department has been vacant for some time now, so you are going to fill up the space.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, sir. I'm really grateful for this. I really appreciate this, honestly.
It's alright, we need you. That's why we employed you.
I don't even know how I feel right now. I have to call my mother to thank you.
Oh, you don't need that. So on your way out, meet the secretary. She's going to show you your office.
Okay, sir, I'll do just that. One more time. I appreciate this. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing? This is not your job.
Yes, sir. It's actually not my job, but the cleaner is very sick. So I decided to help her out because the office was very dusty. But I'm almost done, sir. I'm almost done.
That's very kind of you.
I'll have to come back much later for your breakfast. Thank you, sir.
Such a humble girl.
Have a taste first.
wasn't wrong. You're a wonderful cook.
Thank you very much, sir. I'll just be...
Come on, join me.
Oh no, sir, don't worry yourself. You can eat. Mine is in the kitchen. I'll eat later.
No, go bring your son and come join me.
Sir, don't worry, just eat.
Come, I'll bring your food. It's been long I ate this kind of homemade meal.
But sir, if you don't mind, I can always be coming weekends to cook for you.
That will not be bad. But you know you'll be tired after a long week at work.
No, sir, I'm not complaining. Actually, cooking is my hobby, so I don't have issues with that. Sir, if you like nsala, I can come make it for you during the weekend. You will love it.
Okay. If you say so. I love it. I can't wait to eat it.
Okay, that's fine. I'll come prepare for you during the weekend.
Gracias. Ivy.
Sir?
Did you wash my clothes?
Yes, I did.
Are you still doing all of this? Ivy, you need to rest.
Sir,
Tomorrow is a working day. You need to rest.
Sir, I'm not complaining. It's just ordinary chores. I'm a woman, so I'm used to it.
How can you call all of this ordinary chores? You cleaned upstairs and now you're here.
Your food will soon be ready, sir. Don't worry. It's fine.
Ivy, you need to rest.
Okay, so I'm not complaining. Let me even check the meal.
She's still cooking.
What is it?
Is he not that useless man that calls himself my husband that cannot live up to his responsibilities?
What happened?
Mama, this man is very wicked. He had the guts to lock me up in the police cell for 7 days.
He locked you up for 7 days.
Hey! Maybe he is.
What did you do?
Nothing. I only cautioned him to stop coming back late. What you put in the police cell?
7 days.
7 whole days, Mama. Very wicked man.
Are you sure you did not steal his money?
Mama, I did not steal his money. But even if I did, is he not supposed to be my husband? Eh? What is his is mine. But Mama, I did not steal his money. He had the nerves to lock me up at the police cell for 7 whole days.
That is 1 week.
Chineke got other man, Oko. Mama, I'm so paranoid right now.
Hi.